Hello everyone, how are you all guys doing? So I'm here going out to give Scott his tea because it's quite hot today and they are here outside nearby our road right of way because they've been working on our electrical post to get it ready, and they already put in all those metal posts here on our road right of way from inside our farm going down here to the main post. And now they're trying to put in the drop wire or the service wire, but I guess we need more drop wire because we lost some of it and we don't know yet how much we gonna need. Ayan eh, your water.
Oh, thank you.
It's hot though. I put Louie in the room.
After they finish this.
I hope so. No. I'm walking here, going to where our workers putting back the drop wire. But we will get an accredited electrician to check all the wiring inside the house and out. We're gonna nakuon ro. We need about 46 meters of drop wire because our wiring here are gone. It's lost. We don't know who is the one who gets it. We need to buy more drop wire to finish the work. Yeah, another expense again. But I guess we need to do it, and I hope you like the video guys, and please don't forget to subscribe into my channel, do like, comment and share. Thank you everyone.